everyone, this is Kalpana here. In this video, we are going to see a problem from coordinate geometry. Let's get started. Problem. The midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 2, 4, minus 2, 3 and 5, 2. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. Okay. So, we are given the midpoints of sides of a triangle are 2, 4. Okay. So, the midpoint of AB, say, the midpoints of a side AB is 2, 4 and midpoint of side BCB minus 2, 3 and midpoint of side ACB 5, 2. Okay, if the midpoints of sides of a triangle are given, then we have to find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So we have to find the coordinates of vertices of the triangle. Okay, fine. Solution. Given midpoints of the sides of a triangle are 2, 4 minus 2, 3 and 5, 2. Okay, so here we have to find coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, that is coordinate A, coordinate B and coordinate C. Okay, fine. Let vertex A be x1, y1, coordinate x1, y1 and B be x2, y2, coordinate x2, y2 of the vertex B and coordinate x3, y3 of C. Okay, let x1, y1 be ax1, y1 be x2, y2 and C x3, y3 be the vertices of the triangle. We have already named it as ABC, right? A, B, C. Okay. If you want, you can write let ABC be a triangle. Here, you can write this step. You can include it. Let A, B, C be a triangle. Okay. Fine. So now we are going to find the vertices of the triangle. we know that midpoint mx comma y, m of x comma y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, right? So here we are having a side, three sides we are having AB, BC and AC, and also you are having the midpoints of the sides. So 2 comma 4 is the midpoint of the side AB, minus 2 comma 3 is the midpoint of the side BC, and 5 comma 2 is the midpoint of the side AC. Okay, so let us consider for side AB first. Okay, so here you're having midpoint, right? So 2 comma 4 midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now we are going to equate the x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, so you'll get 2 equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma 4 equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, midpoint of a line segment joining the points A, x1, y1 and x2, y2 is midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so here we are equating the x coordinate and y coordinate. So from this, so you can write it as x1 plus x2 by 2, simply rearranging LHS and RHS. Okay, so you'll get x1 plus x2 equals to 2 2s are 4, and here you can write it as y1 plus y2 by 2 equals to 4. So from this you'll get y1 plus y2 equals to 2 4s are 8. Consider it as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay, so we are having equation 1, x1 plus x2 equals to 4, and equation 2, y1 plus y2 equals to 8. Okay, good. Now let us consider side BC. Okay, from side AB we got 1 and 2 equations. Okay, for side BC, 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3 equals to x2 plus x3 by 2 y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay, again equate x coordinate and y coordinate. So you'll get minus 2 equals to x2 plus x3 by 2 and 3 equals to y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay, now we can write it as x2 plus x3 by 2, which is equals to minus 2, and this as y2 plus y3 by 2 equals to 3. From this you'll get x2 plus x3 equals to minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. And here you'll get y2 plus y3 equals to 2 3s are 6. Okay, let us consider it as equation 3 and this is equation 4. From side BCA, you're having 3 and 4 equations. Okay. So you're having 3. Alright, here x2 plus x3 equals to minus 4, which is equation 3. And y2 plus y3 equals to 6, which is equation 4. Okay. Now, for side AC. For side AC, 5 comma 2 equals to x1 plus x3 by 2 comma y1 plus y3 by 2. Okay, again equate the x coordinates and y coordinates. So you'll get 5 equals to x1 plus x3 by 2 and 2 equals to y1 plus y3 by 2. So you can write it as x1 plus x3 by 2 equals to 5, and this can be written as y1 plus y3 by 2 equals to 2. Okay. So you get x1 plus x3 equals to 2 5s are 10, and here y1 plus y3 equals to 2 2s are 4. Now consider it as equation 5 and this as equation 6. Okay, so from side AC you got 2 equations, x1 plus x3 equals to 10, which is equation number 5, and y1 plus y3 equals to 4 is your equation number 6. Okay. Good. Now, we are going to solve these equations, 6 equations, to find the values of unknowns x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So, firstly I want to cancel x1. Okay. So, I'll consider equation 1 and equation 5. Since I want to cancel x1, so I'm going to consider 1 and 5. From equation 1 and 5, 1 minus 5 gives x1 plus x2 equals to 4 is your 1 minus 5, right? x1 plus x3 equals to 10. Okay, multiply with minus, then you'll get minus into x1 is minus x1, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So x1 gets cancelled and you'll get x2 minus x3 equals to 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So this is your equation number 7. Okay. So you're having equation number 7. Equation number 7 is x2 minus x3 equals to minus 6. Okay, good. So here you're having x2 and x3, right? So if you solve equation 3 and equation 7, x3 gets cancelled and you can get the value of x2. See, you're having minus x3 here and plus x3 here. If you add 3 and 7, equation 3 and 7, then you'll get the value of x2, right? From equation 3 and equation 7. Equation 3 plus equation 7 gives, equation 3 was right, the equation 3x2 plus x3 equals to minus 4, and equation 7 is x2 minus x3 equals to minus 6. Okay, plus x3 and minus x3 gets cancelled. Plus x2 plus x2 is 2x2, which is equals to minus 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 4 plus 6, 10. Okay, so from this you'll get x2 equals to minus 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So this is equals to minus 5. So therefore x2 equals to minus 5. Okay, so you're having x2 this minus 5. Okay, since you're having the value of x2, if you substitute x2 in equation 1, you can get the value of x1. If you substitute x2 in equation number 3, then you'll get x3 value. Okay, let's substitute x2 in 1. Put x2 equals to minus 5 in equation 1. So this is our equation 1, right? You're having x1 plus x2 equals to 4. So in this you are going to substitute x2 value. Then you'll get x1 plus substitute x2 equals to minus 5, which is equals to 4. So from this you'll get x1 minus 5 equals to 4. From this you'll get x1 equals to 4. Take this minus 5 to right hand side, which becomes plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So you got x1 equals to 9. So therefore x1 equals to 9. Okay. Clear. Now you're having x1, x2 value, both the values. Either you can substitute x1 here to find the value of x3, or you can substitute the value of x2 in the equation 7 or equation 3. Okay, so your wish. So I'm going to substitute the value of x2 in equation 3. Okay, you got x1 equals to 9, right? Good. Fine. So put x2 equals to minus 5 in equation 3. So what is equation 3 you're having? x2 plus x3 equals to minus 4. If you substitute x2 equals to minus 5, you'll get minus 5 plus x3 equals to minus 4. Then you'll get x3 equals to minus 4. Take this minus 5 to right hand side, which becomes plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. So therefore x3 equals to 1. Okay, or else you can check it here. x1, let's check it. Okay, so you got x3 equals to 1. Fine. Okay, now we are going to check. We are going to check the value of x3, whether it is correct or not. So you're having equation 5, x1 plus x3 equals to 10. Okay, Let's substitute x1. The value of x1, which is, I think this is x1, right? 9 plus x3 equals to 10. So from this you'll get x3 equals to 10 minus 9, which is equals to 1. The same one, okay? Or else you can check it in equation 7. Let's try equation 7. x2 minus x3 equals to minus 6. Let's substitute x2. x3 you are having minus 5, right? So minus 5 minus x3 equals to minus 6. So from this you'll get minus x3 equals to minus 6 plus 5, which is equals to minus 1. Since you're having minus x3 equals to minus 1, we cancel minus and minus, you'll get x3 equals to again 1. Okay, fine. So we got the values of unknowns x1, x2 and x3. Now we are going to find the values of y1, y2 and y3 using equation 2 and 4 and 6. Okay, so here I just want to cancel y1, so I'll cancel equation 2 and equation 4. Okay, from not 4, this is 6. Equation 2 and 6. From equation 2 and equation 6. Okay, 2 minus 6. y1 plus y2 equals to 8. And minus of, we are having 6, equation 6, y1 plus y3 equals to 4. Okay, multiply with minus sign, so you'll get minus y1, minus into plus minus, again minus into plus minus. Okay, fine. Cancel y1, so you'll get y2 minus y3 equals to 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is our equation number 8. See, you are having equation up to 7 here, so this will be your 8. y1, not y1, y2 minus y3 equals to 4. This is your equation number 8. Okay. Okay. If you consider equation 8, you are having y2 and y3. And also in equation 4, you are having y2 and y3. So if you solve 4 and 8 equations, y3 gets cancelled and then you'll get the value of y2. Okay. Let's solve equation 4 and 8, or from equation 4 and 8, from 4 and 8, simply 4 plus 8 gives, it gives the value of y2. Okay, so this is our equation 4, and now we are writing equation 8. So solve these two equations. y3 plus y3 and minus y3 gets cancelled. y2 plus y2 is 2. y2 equals to 6 plus 4 is 10. So from this you will get y2 equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. This implies y equals to 5. y2 equals to 5. Therefore, y2 equals to 5. Okay. Now we are having value of y2, which is 5. Since you are having y2 equals to 5, you can substitute this y2 in any of these equations to find y1 and y3. Okay. So now I'm going to substitute the value of y2 in equation number 2 to get the value of y1. Okay. So from 2, y1 plus y2 equals to 8 is your equation number 2. So here we are going to substitute the value of y2, which is 5 equals to 8. So I'll get y1 equals to 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this implies y1 equals to 3. Therefore, y1 equals to 3. Okay. You got y1 equals to y1 equals to 3. Okay. Or else you can check in equation number 6 also, but you need the value of y3. Okay, since we are having y2, fine. Next, you have to find the value of unknown y3. Okay, you're having y2, right? So substitute the value of y2 in equation 8. Okay, you need to find the value of y3. So you can consider equation 4 or equation 8. Okay, so we are considering equation 8. Now we'll substitute the value of y2. Now put y2 equals to 5 in equation 8. Then we'll get 5 minus y3 equals to 4. From this we'll get minus 3 equals to 4 minus 5. This becomes minus 3 equals to 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. Then you'll get y3 equals to 1. Okay. Likewise, you can find the value of y3 using any of these three equations, that is equation 4, equation 6 or equation 8. Since we are having the values of y2 and y1, you can substitute either y1 or y2 in any of these three equations. If you consider equation 8, if you will substitute y1, the value of y1, then you can get the value of y3. Or if you consider equation 4 and equation 8, you will substitute the value of y2, you will get the value of y3. Okay. So, you are having y3. So, you got y3 equals to 1. Okay. So, therefore, the vertices of, or the coordinates of the vertices, the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle are ax1 y1 equals to 9 comma 3, b x2 y2 equals to minus 5 comma 5, and c x3 y3 equals to 1 comma 1. Okay, this completes the problem. So we have seen a problem in this video from coordinate geometry. Hope you will understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.